Today we're going to build a Lambda layer that includes the pyMysql library. Lambda layers provide a way to share dependencies across functions and help to ensure that the same dependency code is used across multiple functions. It also helps reduce the amount of code stored in AWS Lambda. As of the time of this recording, AWS Lambda has a per region limit of 75 gigs for function and layer storage. Today I'm using a Windows environment, but if you'd like to see the Linux or Mac instructions, I provided a link in the description down below. We're going to accomplish this task by creating a working folder, installing the pyMysql library into the working folder. We're going to use 7-zip to compress this folder into a Lambda layer, and then we're going to use the AWS Web Console to upload this Lambda layer. We'll then attach this layer to one of our Lambda functions. Let's get started. We're going to start by reviewing the Lambda application code. I've created a simple stub file. All we do is import the pyMysql library. But as you can see, the pyMysql library does not exist in this package. When I test this function, you can see that it's going to fail, giving us the error unable to import Lambda function, no module pyMysql. So let's fix that. We're going to start by creating a working folder. We're going to call this one Lambda layer. So mkdir Lambda layer. And let's go into that layer. And let's create a new directory called Python. And go into that directory as well. Let's use pip to install pyMysql into the target folder of our current working folder. Next, we can navigate to that folder, right-click, 7-zip, add to python.zip. Opening up the Layers tab inside the Lambda console, we can click Create Layer, and we're going to call this one pyMysql. Access, let's say MySQL databases. We're going to select the zip file. We want this available to Python 2.7, 3.6, and 3.7. And we can click Create. Now that this layer is created, we'll go back into Functions, go back into our function, and we're going to select this layer icon. The bottom half of the screen now changes and allows us to add a layer. So we click Add Layer, choose our new pyMysql layer, and the version 1. We save the application code, and now we can go back and view, and there is no view of that package that is installed, but if we execute our code again, we will see now that we are able to execute the Lambda code. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel. It really helps. Ring the YouTube bell or follow me on Twitter to be notified of future videos. If there's a topic you'd like me to cover, please add the request in the comments section below. Until next time.